Hello, it's been a while since you saw me with my bowls. So here we are. Let's see what we get today. Water is the product that we've got. IKEA is the brand. So today we're going to figure out if IKEA sold water, how would they do it? I started with the basics. The IKEA effect is a very popular phenomena and I wanted to get into the details of it. Then I started writing down what IKEA and water could do together. IKEA is known for their do-it-yourself, assemble-it-yourself concept. And if I look at a water bottle, the assembly would mean these three things. After this, I started looking at the kind of ads IKEA makes, visually and conceptually. Then I blanked out. I knew what I wanted to say, but I just couldn't figure out how. This is hours of sitting and doing nothing shown to you in a few seconds. I knew that I would want a water bottle, so I went to Midjourney and started looking for one. I looked and looked and looked and finally got this one. I cleaned it up on Photoshop and started adding the copy, the details and the logo. And here it is. If IKEA sold water, this is how they could advertise it.